Hi everybody and welcome to Wacky Science Saturdays. This week, or month I should say, we are going to be making cloud dough. So in your kits that you got sent home, you should have a bag of flour and a little takeout container of baby oil. Put those to the side really quick, and I want you, with your grown-up person, to go and grab a bowl like this, because you're going to need something to mix your cloud dough in. And then while you're at it, afterwards, if you'd like to grab another plastic bag just to keep your cloud dough in when you're done, that would be super cool, super fun. Even if you want to use like a Ziploc container, anything that you can keep it in. So, before we get started, everything has been pre-measured out for you. So when you make cloud dough, you want to have a ratio of kind of like 8 to 1. So we have a 1 cup of just regular basic flour, and then we have 2 tablespoons of baby oil. Now this is supposed to make the best cloud dough out there. There's different ways to make cloud dough, but this is the simplest and the best way to make it. The end result of your cloud dough is supposed to be light and airy, okay? So let's keep that in mind. It's supposed to be silky to the touch, and it's supposed to be smooth but moldable. So it might look crumbly when we're done, but once you pinch it, it's supposed to be able to hold its form. So if you wanted to use things for your cloud dough like cookie cutters or little shapes that you would put in sand, you should be able to do that. So let's get started here. You're going to need your hands. That's the best tools that we have for this. We are going to just dump our flour in our bowl, okay? It's going to get a bit messy, so if you have your grown-up person there with you, have them help you, and you might need some paper towels or baby wipes. So whole bag into the bowl, perfect. See, I'm already starting to make a mess. And then you're just gonna take your 2 tablespoons of baby oil and you are going to dump them right in to your flour. Try to get everything in there, put it off to the side, everything's good, safe. Here's the fun part. Now you gotta take your hands and you have to start mixing it. And you have to mix it until everything is incorporated into it. So I tried to shoot this video for you guys with the camera angling down so that you could see kind of the texture that we're going to get from the cloud dough. And mine's already starting to work really well. And it is actually keeping its shape. It is really cool. Yup. So you just start to get in there really hard and start squishing it really hard with your hands because you want to get all of that baby oil in with that flour as much as you can. And as you can see, oh my gosh, look at that. It's crumbly when I press it apart, but it is absolutely able to hold shape. So I can absolutely make different things with it, but it's still crumbly. That is so cool. So now that you have your very own cloud dough at home, that is so much fun, and it smells good. Yep. What you can do to add to the fun, if you want, is if your grown-up person has any food coloring, you can add food coloring to your dough. You can make more dough if you want, and you can do different colors with your dough. And you can always add other things to it as well. So if you get really creative, you could make extra cloud dough and add baking soda to it. And then once you have the baking soda, if you wanted to add a little lemon juice, then you would have fizzing cloud dough, and that would be super exciting. So, oh my gosh, I hope you guys had fun, and I hope you guys enjoy playing with your awesome cloud dough. If you want, you can send us pictures to the library. We would love to see them. Or email me back at my email address. Everybody knows my email address. It is trosso@htplib.org. Email me there if you want to show me your pictures of you guys making it. I would love to see them. Thanks, guys, and I hope you had fun. Bye.